In this ASMR video, I'm going to be showing you how I made bacon wrapped scallops using a hot stone.
I don't have to find an aesthetic. I am an aesthetic. I mean, I'm sure there's somebody out here right now who's going into Pinterest trying to type up all these adjectives to describe me.
So for these visuals, I will be having a little bit of fun with crab place seafood per usual and showing you how I use their scallops to make bacon wrapped scallops using a hot stone. With a hot stone, you do have to prep up the stone inside of the oven for a little bit, and then you're going to use the stone on top of an open fire to cook your food. So it does take a few additional steps to actually get the job done, but it's more about aesthetics rather than convenience. And I'm all about vibes when it comes to my food and about presentation. So this whole concept is right up my alley, and I love doing things like this for myself, especially since the crab place came out with these portion sizes. So now I'm able to have my favorite seafood portioned out in small sizes, so whereas though I can just snack and play with my food whenever I want without having to defrost a whole lot at a time. So what you'll see me do a lot often is take out these little packets and just do little experiments and try new things and just play around with the seafood and see what I can come up with. I love using little tools like this that makes the food and the whole ambiance just go above and beyond. I've inspired so many people to get one of these stones and just do it at home for date nights and just cute little things for themselves. Do a little hibachi dinner. The options are endless, but I really love using it for my seafood because the whole process of searing it and seeing it right in front of you instead of done on top of a stove just feels so much better to me. So for the rest of the video, it's going to be ASMR as the scallops cook on the stone.